Hi guys, today I'm gonna show you all how to create contact on Motorola Edge Plus. Firstly, go into Phones app. Now go into contacts, tap on create new contact. Choose where you would like to store your contacts to. It can be either your Google account, your device, or a SIM card. So I will choose device. You can later change it here also. Now if you tap on this icon, you will be able to select a profile picture for this contact. So I will just choose a picture from gallery. Let's say this one. Now you can also crop it. Now I'll just tap on crop it, rotate it, align it, and then just tap on save copy. Now if you tap on this arrow, you're going to see every blank for name, such as name prefix, first name, middle name, last name, and name suffix. Obviously you don't have to fill all of them. The most important is going to be the first name and maybe the last name. You can also add a company, but again you don't have to. The most important is obviously the phone number. You can add a few of those and label each one of them individually as something different. This one can be work, let's say, and this one is going to be home. And it works the same with an email. You can add a few of them and label each one of them individually. Now we can tap on more fields and you will be able to see fields like phonetic last name, middle name, nickname, department and title in the company, address, website, a significant date, let's say to January 25th, 2025, and I will label it as something custom, let's say an appointment. Okay, and you can add a few of these dates, and it works the same with relationship. You can add a few of these, and you can have SAP, you can write notes about this contact, and you are also able to add this contact to a label. Label are just groups. Let's say the work can be label can be like family, colleagues, maybe just work, it's going to be shorter, work, maybe friends. Right, now we can select, and this contact is going to be added to work and friends. Okay, now tap on OK and tap on the save button to the right corner. And here is our contact. Now if you would like to share some information of this contact, you can just hold the information that you would like to share and tap on copy to clipboard. Now you can just paste it. Also you can just tap on three dots to the right corner, tap on share. Now select the information that you would like to share and tap on continue. Now a small file is going to be created that contains all of the selected informations, and now we can just choose an app that you would like to through which you would like to send it. And that's going to be all. If I helped you, please leave a like and subscribe, and let us know in the comments if you have no problems.